If you've used sorting and filtering operations in other applications, then you'll have no problem here in SharePoint with our lists. Now you can see the customer list that we created a while back. I've updated, I've added another column here, and I've also added some more items. Lists in SharePoint will typically grow and grow and grow till you get hundreds and thousands of items in your list, so being able to find something quickly and easily is very important. Well, sorting and filtering can help you there. So we'll talk about sorting first, and if you've used other applications that have headings at the top of the column, you know that you can click on those headings to sort by that particular heading. For example, title. If I want to get an alphabetical listing, I'll come right up here and click on title, and as soon as I do, what you're going to see is a little arrow next to title indicating that this is being sorted in ascending order. So the A's at the top all the way down here for me to the N in new ABC org. Now, if I want to reverse that to descending, I can click right on the title again, and the arrow is going to point down now to show me I've got a reverse sort happening here. The other way to do that is to go to the drop-down menu or the context-sensitive menu up here. When I click the drop-down, you'll notice that I've got ascending and descending here as well. So I'm going to go back to ascending. All right, well, if I can do it with title, that means I should be able to do it with dates and with premium customer, right? Well, I'm going to click on Date Signed, and sure enough, that little arrow moves from title over to Date Signed. You can see now it's in ascending order, and I've got May 10th, 2007 all the way up to September 13th. Let's look at some filtering options now, because we can also filter it down. If we have repetition in our list, for example, if I go to title and I click the drop down, I'm going to see down below a list of all of the items on the list here. And if I had multiple Acmes or multiple lynda.coms, I'd still only see one on this list, and clicking on it will show me all of those lynda.coms. There's only one on my list, but that's all I'm seeing on the list now, so it's filtered. You'll also notice that there's a little filter icon next to the word title, just to remind me that I'm filtering. So if I want to see everybody again, I can go back up to the title drop-down and clear that filtering. So I clear filter from title, and everybody comes back. So sorting and filtering can really help you find or narrow down what it is you're looking for in a list. Keep in mind that as lists grow, and they do in SharePoint, when you get hundreds or even thousands of entries, filtering and sorting can come in very handy. Another option is to change up your views, and that's what we're going to look at in the next lesson.